making a vegan pumpkin pie smoothie. It's the perfect recipe to transition out of summer and into the fall. So let's go. We're gonna start by adding half a cup of canned pumpkin to our blender. And make sure you just get regular pumpkin. You don't wanna get the pumpkin pie filling, so it should look something like this. Okay, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut milk to add some nice richness to it. Okay. Next, we're gonna add maple syrup to sweeten our smoothie. I'm gonna go in with about 2 teaspoons. Okay. And now for a little extra pumpkin pie flavor, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now for our pumpkin pie spices, if you have pumpkin pie spice already, you can use that, but I'm gonna go in with about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. It smells good. And then just a little sprinkle of ground ginger. There we go. It's gonna end up being about a pinch of that. And then a pinch of ground cloves. Doesn't need a whole lot. And a pinch of nutmeg. Gotta get some spice in that smoothie. Okay, now I want to add some frozen banana. So we're gonna do pretty much like 1 frozen banana. That's like 2 halves right there. And if you want, you can add, that was already partly open. You can add a little splash of oat milk as well, just to improve the texture a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna clean my hands and then blend this up. All right, you know what to do. Blend it up. Sorry. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's taste it. Rico! That's good. Let's pour out our smoothie. Ooh, it is thick. Yes. Nice and thick. And we're gonna add an extra special little topping, so stick around for that as well. Look at our beautiful pumpkin pie smoothie. It smells really good. It has all those pumpkin pie smells. You could totally just drink it as is, but like I promised, we're gonna make it a little extra special. So what I've got here, I've just got a couple little tablespoons of coconut milk. It's been sitting in the fridge, so it's a little bit thick. You could also use coconut cream. We're gonna add a teeny little drizzle of maple syrup and a couple little drops of vanilla extract, and just mix that all together.
And what is this?
This is our little creamy topping for our smoothie. Okay, so we're just going to just kind of spoon that on top. You can drizzle it, make a little spiral pattern if you're creative, or just pile it on. See, just like pumpkin pie. You can't have pumpkin pie without whipped cream. So we can't have pumpkin pie smoothie without coconut semi-whipped cream. And then last thing, just a little A little sprinkle of cinnamon. Oh, doesn't that look good?
Delicious.
It smells really good. If you like cinnamon, smash the like button below. Wow. Holy smokes. Dude, that is like, it's like pumpkin pie in a glass. You don't have to go through the trouble of making a crust, baking. No, man, if you got a pumpkin pie craving, just make this. It's actually so good with the extra little coconut cream on top and the cinnamon. Yeah. If you want to see more pumpkin recipes on the channel this season, be sure to comment below, smash the like button, and subscribe so you don't miss out. See you next week. Bye.